I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I love you, and I'll always need you. And if